Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from CoinMarketCap in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know CoinMarketCap is a go-to for tracking prices and portfolios, but transferring funds might involve linking it to your wallet or exchange. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step, keeping it simple and secure. First off, remember that CoinMarketCap itself isn't a wallet, so you'll need to connect it to one like MetaMask or an exchange account. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your CoinMarketCap account on their website or app. If you don't have one, sign up quickly. It's free and takes just a minute. Once logged in, head to the Portfolio or Wallet section, which by 2025 might have even more integrated features for seamless transfers. Step 2. Ensure your wallet is connected. Go to Settings and link your crypto wallet or exchange. This is crucial for security, so double-check that you're using a reputable one. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Browse your holdings, pick the asset, and choose the Transfer or Withdraw option. Enter the amount. Be precise to avoid fees eating into your funds. Step 4. Input the recipient's address. This could be another wallet or exchange. Always verify the address to prevent any costly mistakes. In 2025, look for built-in verification tools. Step 5. Review and confirm the transaction. You'll see details like fees and estimated time. Hit confirm, and you're good to go. Most transfers take minutes to hours. Pro tip. In 2025, keep an eye on network congestion, especially for popular coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum, as it can affect speed and costs. Finally, once it's done, check your transaction on a blockchain explorer for peace of mind. That's it. Transferring money via CoinMarketCap is straightforward when you're prepared. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.